Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Amit Shehzad and I'm again with the Leica Total Station TS09 Plus, and this is my actually continuous series of Total Station this training, and today I'm going with the video number 38, and in this video I'm talking about again with the Kogo option. In my last option and second last option we discussed about the intersection point. The second last time we discussed about the intersection point once we have the two bearings, and we can, if access or no access, but we can calculate that point with if we have a two bearings. The second option, the last video which I shared, that is related when we have one bearing and the other side distance. Today I am discussing about when we have a two known points, and based on that one we need to intersection point based on this distance and that distance. So how we can calculate this one, first I'll explain on the paper, and then I go with the total station how we will do this all options. So let's come with me first on the paper. So I'll try to my best to explain what I'm going to do. So here we have a paper on display. The first point, I assume this value is 100 by 100, and this point I calculate the, just assume the value is 147.434 and the nothing is 92.818. Based on that one, from this point 38.053 and from this point 34.408, we have a two distance where this point crossing to each other, that point we call intersection. So this point, how we can calculate, I'm going with the explain to this point how we can calculate with the using total station. Before I'm going with the total station, I already calculated this point. I need to check with the total station reconfirmation this point is okay or not. So how we can do, let's come on the total station. But before I go to the total station, I have a requested. The person who watching me first time, please subscribe my channel, or any person who did not still subscribe my channel, please subscribe first and then hit the bell icon, and also hit on the all notification. In this way, anytime when I upload my new video, you can receive notification of my new videos. So here I have a Leica Total Station TS09. Once we power on the total station, this is the first display. So for that purpose I need to enter the programs. So simply I press on the program folder, or I go with this arrow keys, or I'll press the numbers. For example, this folder number 1 2 3 4 5 6, and there is a number 2 point, so I simply press number 2 and then I'm enter in the programs. The first time once you enter the program, you will maybe receive this first folder that called survey. So but we already discussed these survey folders, and also we discussed the survey plus tie distance. Nowadays we are talking about the Kogo. So once I need to enter the Kogo, I can touch simply. I use the arrow keys or numbers what we see on the keyboard. Okay, I'm simply touch on the display, and after touching I'll enter the Kogo options. So here you can read the Kogo descriptions. I'll simply press F4 for continue, and here once you first time enter, maybe you did not find this option, you maybe find this option. So for second option you have two way, you can simply touch or you can change the page from this button. So I'll use this button for changing my page. So simply I press this page, and now I enter the intersection option. The first option is bearing, and bearing this option we already used my second last video. So then I'll use this arrow key. I can change from here also, but I'm using arrow key on the keyboard. So here we have option bearing and distance. In the last video we already discussed about this option. Now I'm going with the arrow key again. For this option we have a distance. So today we are talking about this option. So you can read the description. They are writing the intersection points are calculated between 2 points by defined distance. Okay, so I'll press simply F4 for continue. Once I press F4, the second display is he asking me the point. If you have a known points or existing point in same job, what you can do, simply you can write the numbers of that point ID name and then you can find. But in my case, I'll always put adding the new value. Why? Because some people did not watch my previously video, that's why I do everything in detail. So I'll give the ID name, for example I put the 21 and then press OK and then press F3 key. I did not find this 21 point because this is not existing point, so I need to add this point. So that purpose I press F4 and then again F4 for the E and H, it's mean east, north and height. So my first point value is 100. I'll press OK and then again 100, press OK. In this case I no need to add any height because this is a horizontal distance, so I'll press simply F4 for continue. Here I added the point. So second option is how much distance I have to require to calculate the intersection point from the point number 21, which value is 100. So here on the paper I already write the distance from that value is 34.408. So simply I add the value 34.408. After I'll press OK button, and now he asked me the second point. I give the ID for the second point is 22 and then press OK and then press F3 for find. I did not find because this point is not existing point, so I need to add the value of this 23 number point. So I'm going with the 4 key for the continue, again 4 key for the E and H. It's mean east, north and height value. So I'm giving the east value. East value, as you can see, I write on the paper, its value is 147.434. I'll press OK for the northing and then northing value is 92.818. I'll press OK. And if you have any height you can add, but my case, because I'm doing with the horizontal distance only, so I did not add any height, so I simply press F4 for the continue. So the instrument asked me again for the horizontal distance from the second point, which ID is 22. The distance from the second point to the intersection point is 38.058. So I'll add the distance 38.058. Sorry, 053. So I'll press OK. And now I have these options to measure that point, calculate. So my case I'm going for the calculate. So one more thing I'm adding to here. What mean of the measure? Measure mean, for example, I give the value 0.1 and 0.2. If I don't have the value of these points, only I can find these points on the site. In this way, you simply put the prism on that and press F1 key and then you can get the value of that point. This is mean the measure. So I'll go with the F2 key for the calculate. So I'll press F2. So here I have the result of my intersection points. As you can see, I already calculated on my paper. The value are matching, easting and northing are both same. So now if I need to store, I need to keep this point in my total station. Simply I give the point ID and then I'll press F3 for the store. For if I need to lay out this point, then I need to go with the F1 key for the stake. Please enter the point ID calculated solution. So I can put the 20 stake. So he asked me, you want to record this new point ID? I said yes. Once I press the yes, I mean F4 key, then I'll go directly to in stake out option. I'll press F4. He said to me, this point already exists. You want to overwrite? I said yes, I want to overwrite. So in this case, he overwrite my new value. And now I'm enter in the stake out option. And in stake out, I can stake the points or layout this point. This option we already know before my previously videos. If anybody have a doubt about this option, I can add the I button on the top. You can watch that video on that place. So hopefully you understand this option. If you have any question related to this video or any other videos, you can ask me in comments. I will reply as soon as possible. And take care of yourself, and bye.